At the start of the campaign against the city of Stalingrad, when it had been bombed by Richthofen's Luftwaffe, but the troops had not yet entered the city, a platoon was reinforced with 3 new replacements. They told them to keep their heads down and not look at the city. But that night, one by one, they each took a peep, and for some reason, after the first replacement was shot and killed just peeping, the other 2 also did the same and were killed. Now, there's a good chance at least one of those replacements was killed by a female sniper, as by that point, the Ukrainian sniper of the Red Army, Lyudmila Pavlichenko, had already killed with her Mosin-Nagant rifle over 300 German soldiers. We end this video honoring her with photos of her. It's a very good idea as a replacement to listen to the veterans because they've been around a lot longer than you have. And the 3 didn't listen, and they were dead before they even saw the enemy, even had a chance to fire a round.